So hello everyone, today we have some quick turn on. Before I'm leaving to another country, we have fucking 71 problems. It is so much, 71 problems. Just another version, we will accept it, we will run it, and I want to check it out, how it will be working. So this is the work day. I'm just working with, I'm working with this recording because it's not working properly like I want to need to work. So yeah, it's upside down. I need to fix it and I can't fix it. We have a lot of problems like here. Just look at this. This is fucking a lot of them. This camera message, we need to repair it, and yeah, that's all I think. So thank you so much for watching and bye.